Sobrang love ko siya, guys. Imagine, oh, from black, nag-work talaga siya. Look at my roots. Sobrang brown na niya.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because as you guys can see from the title, we are going to color my hair. We're gonna be using a DIY kind of hair color. You guys know na nagpared ako ng hair a few months ago and medyo mahaba na yung roots ko. I'm looking at my mirror and nandito na siya. 2 to 2.5 inches na yung roots ng hair ko, so I need to recolor my hair. I'm very excited to share this with you guys because today we will be using this Liese Creamy Bubble Color. When Liese sent me this, sobrang na-excite ako because, guys, sobrang affordable niya. So this one is Creamy Bubble Color. So hindi siya yung kind of hair color that you still have to part your hair and then, alam niyo yun, use a brush. This one, you can find it from Watson's, Robinson's, Rustan's, Landmark, SM Hypermarket. Very, very easy to find. So imagine, for less than 500 pesos, you'll be able to color your hair at home na less hassle. We all know naman na going to a salon is a bit more time-consuming and mas expensive compared to mga ganitong hair color that we could find from the drugstore. So if you want to see me color my hair and know more about this product, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so now, let's open this. Let's see kung ano yung mga laman niya. And I'm using a dark colored shirt na I don't mind na malagyan siya ng hair color. So, we have here, we have a solution. Isa pang solution. I think this is the developer. This one naman is yung hair treatment. I think we're gonna use this after. Ito yung foamer cap. Dito lalabas yung foam. One pair of gloves at saka yung instructions. So, ito yung instructions. Everything that you need to know is here already. So, now we're gonna do the skin allergy testing kasi it's very, very important to do that. Me, I know na I'm not allergic to this kasi nagawa ko na siya. But today, I will be showing you guys paano yun gawin kasi you don't want naman na yes, maganda yung hair mo and then allergic ka pala to one of the ingredients. So, baka mag-cause siya ng allergy, ng itching, maging red siya or maging swollen or anything. We don't want that to happen. So, very, very important to do the skin testing. So here, meron dito skin allergy test procedure. It says here, the skin allergy test indicates whether you are prone to having an allergic reaction to the product. Even if you may have colored your hair many times before without experiencing any reaction, changes in body condition may cause a sudden reaction to occur. For the skin allergy test procedure, we will be needing yung solution 1, the developer, and skin allergy test panel. So first, sabi dito is use a cotton swab, take 2 drops of solution 1, tapos ilalagay natin siya dito. So after the first solution, using the new swab, add 4 drops of solution 2 to the test panel. You just use a different cotton swab to mix it. And then, you just apply this inner side ng arm mo. When you apply it, siguro parang kasing laki ng coin. So, after you malagay yung mga solution for testing, you observe it 30 minutes after the application. And then, after 48 hours or 2 days, check nyo ulit kung mayroong reaction because minsan, mayroong mga reactions na late sila lumalabas. So, if there's any reaction like swelling, redness, itching, or rash, it's best not to use the product para hindi na lang kayo ma-allergy or to prevent any reaction na mangyari sa skin mo or sa scalp mo. Again, I did the test already, so I know that I'm not allergic to any of these solutions or any of these products. So now, let's go to the exciting part. We're gonna start mixing them and start coloring my hair. It says here, comb your hair before coloring to remove any tangles. So, when we apply the foam, kailangan wala siyang tangles. So, suklay tayo. So, now we're gonna prepare the solution. So, remember, this is solution 1 and this is solution 2. For yung solution 1 sa solution 2. Oh my god, I think I forgot to mention the color that we're using. We're using the raspberry brown. I chose this kasi medyo may pagka-red or plum yung undertone niya. Eh, diba red yung current color ko. So, going back, I'm mixing itong solution 1 sa solution 2. And then, we're not supposed to shake it kasi baka maapektuhan yung pagiging foamy niya. So, all you have to do is baliktarin nyo siya slowly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so ganun lang. If you shake it too hard, baka i-foam yung lumabas, masyadong liquidy. So, So now, we're gonna change yung cap dito. So, ayan. Make sure it's locked. So, you will be dispensing it by pressing it like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is so fun. And then, you just apply it from here. Hair pababa. Don't copy me. Use gloves. Oh my god. Don't be like Rei. Use your gloves. Sobrang nakalimutan ko. So, ayan. Just squeeze. And apply. Here. Make sure you have a mirror beside you. Hindi siya messy gawin kasi foam lang naman siya. It's not liquidy. Natutulog. It says here to put a lot of foam eh. As in like, huwag nyo siyang tipirin. Really cover your hair. So, after you cover it daw, you're gonna massage your hair. So, that's what I'm doing right now. So, you have to massage it daw para mag-penetrate siya dun sa roots. Especially mine, diba? Kaya ako nag-hair color kasi nag-grow na yung black hair ko. So, have to massage it. So, this way, you don't have to worry na hindi even yung pagkalagay mo. Once you're done massaging it, you get the rest of the foam and then i-cover mo daw yung hair mo. Like that. So, magmumukha kang ice cream ng cupcake. So, after nyo ma-cover siya with bubbles, oh my god, it looks so cute. We will leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. So, while waiting, I'm gonna remove yung stain na nalagay dito para hindi na siya mababad pa. Okay guys, so I have my timer here. So, ayan, 13 minutes pa. So habang nakababad yung hair color, I'm editing a vlog, diba? Sobrang easy niya lang gawin na hindi masasayang yung waiting time mo. So, I'll see you guys kapag i-wash na natin yung hair. So, ayan. Okay, so nag-alarm na. It means 30 minutes is done. So now it's time to wash. Sabi dito, wash with shampoo and then after, you're gonna use this Liese rinse off treatment. So I'm just gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna go back. So wait lang. Hey guys, I'm back. I just washed my hair. Kita ko yung roots ko naglighten. We have to wait na mag-dry siya. Diba this one is raspberry brown. So medyo may pagka-plum, diba? Plum-ish siya. Hindi siya magta-turn out ng like that kung sobrang dark yung hair mo. So, if this is your original hair color, ganito siya maglalabas. And then, palighter ng palighter.
So, I decided to go out. Dinry ko muna siya bago ko ipakita sa inyo and nakapag-retouch na rin ako ng makeup and nakabis na ako because I need to go somewhere. But anyway, ayan, as you can see, sobrang love ko siya guys. Imagine from black, nag-work talaga siya. Look at my roots. Sobrang brown na niya. And the color of this part, hindi na siya malayo from the rest of my hair. I chose the kind of brown na medyo plummy para hindi siya malayo from my original hair color. And ayan guys, solid na one color na lang yung hair ko. And I really like it, especially under natural lighting. You can really see na plum na siya. Hindi na siya black. And if you're wondering bakit ako naka-shades guys, sobrang lakas ng araw. Di ko kayo kaya tignan kung wala akong shades. Kasi nga, I decided to show it to you guys under natural lighting para mas makita niyo yung itsura niya ng maayos. Kasi dun sa studio, sa loob ng room ko, madilim. So, hindi niyo makita yung pagka-brown niya. But look, ayan, wala na akong black roots. So, going to my overall thoughts, guys, I really like it kasi sobrang hassle-free niya gamitin. Like, parang nag-shampoo lang ako. And then, as you can see, talagang lumabas yung color niya. And ang vibrant nung payoff nung color, considering na black yung base niya. Plus, it's affordable. So yun guys, I will be leaving all the list of stores kung saan sila available in the description box. Also, their website kasi they are available online. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections. I will try my best to answer most of them.
And guys, I'm hosting a giveaway. I'm giving away 3 creamy bubble color in the shade raspberry brown. Itong ginamit ko ngayon. All you have to do is follow the mechanics that is written on the description box. So thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!